Hello everyone, so this is just a quick video regarding connecting to the CAN bus on the BMW i3. This is meaning a direct connection, which you could then attach onto that a USB to CAN bus adapter, so you can maybe do some reverse engineering or whatever. But the connection that I'm tapping into is kind of in the center here. I've had to take this whole panel off. And here's the connector in question. It's this big middle one, and if you look at it from this sort of angle, this one here, this is PT CAN 2, and there's a few CAN bus interfaces, but PT CAN 2 is connected to most of the power control electronics and everything, which are the main areas I'm interested in. And I think it's also connected to the battery management system. So you've got the PT CAN 2H, which is the blue stripe, and you've got PT CAN 2L, which is the yellow stripe cable in there. And basically all I've done is scraped back the insulation and soldered onto them, and then put it back again. I don't have a CAN bus adapter yet, so I'm just going to leave the cable sort of hanging out somewhere just now until I get a USB to CAN bus adapter for it, and then I'll see if I could find anything interesting on there. But you've got to be careful when soldering onto that. Make sure your soldering iron hasn't got a connection to ground on its casing, because if it has, then you could possibly short the CAN bus communication to ground, and then the car will start throwing drivetrain errors. I was going to take my ground connection for the CAN bus off here, but I decided not to, just because the cable I've got has actually just got two conductors on it, and you maybe don't always need a ground connection for the CAN bus communications anyway, so I've just decided to leave it out. But if I do ever need a ground connection, I'll just connect into the ground on the cigarette lighter plug. So that's how you tap into PT CAN 2 anyway. So I think that'll give you access to like the range extender control unit, the motor inverter as well. So I think there's other stuff as well on FlexRay. There's not just CAN bus in this car, but it's FlexRay as well, which I don't know anything about. So it'll just be CAN bus for now, and I'll get this all put back together again.